Let's see how you can actually build an AI chatbot for your business in just a few minutes that can simply work on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS, website, chat widget, and other channels too. So here, when building the AI chatbot, you can even delay the responses as you like as well. So here, I'm in a demo account. So here we have connected all the supported channels right here. So if you want to connect a channel, for example, if you want to connect your Facebook page right here, simply click on channels option over here, where you can simply go to the Facebook Messenger, log in with your Facebook page and connect it right here. Alright, so that works the same for WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and other channels too. For example, if you want to use the SMS, you will need to connect a phone number from Twilio as well. So here, if you click on learn more, you can find the step-by-step guides on how to connect the e-channels as well. For example, for the SMS automation, you have to grab the account SID and also token from the Twilio and connect on our platform. For example, if you are wondering how to connect the Instagram, you have to simply click on learn more right here, where you will be prompted to log in with your Instagram account and simply allow all these permissions to handle the messages, insights, etc. And then you will be able to simply connect your account right here. Simple as that. So once you have connected your accounts on our platform, you can actually build any sort of automations. And if you are planning to use AI chatbots, then you also need to connect the API keys from any of these AI models. For example, you can use OpenAI or Google Gemini, Claude, xAI, or DeepSeek as well. If you are wondering how to connect the OpenAI, click on learn more right here, where you can simply come back here, and here you have the option to grab the API keys from the OpenAI platform and simply connect it on our platform. Likewise, if you are planning to use a different model, for example Cloud, you can simply grab the API keys from that specific platform. So here you can find the API keys right here and connect it on our platform. That's it. So once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of AI chatbots as well. So you have to simply go to the AI hub over here, where you can actually create any sort of AI chatbots as you like. For example, for this specific video, let's use an existing AI chatbot we have created for this Comfort First HVAC. Alright, so let me open this one. So here you can actually add any sort of information for the AI chatbot to respond accordingly. For example, you can add all the information about that specific business, introduction, frequently asked questions, pricing information, contact information, the services they provide, etc, etc. And you can even ask the AI to follow the specific path as well. For example, here we have a conversation rules as well, where we actually instruct the AI to ask these questions from the customers as well. So here we simply ask these questions from the customer and provide some sort of estimated cost range as well. And here, apart from that, you can also fetch this conversation history right here as well. So here, chat history details large. So this will actually put the chat conversation between the AI and the user as well, so AI have more context to respond to the customer's questions as well. Apart from that, you can actually use AI tools as well. For example, connect user to human will simply automatically connect the user to a human agent when a support is required. For example, if a customer send a message asking, can I talk with a human agent or something like that, it will simply transfer the conversation to the human agents. And here you can, apart from that, you can actually use any other AI functions as well. So here, for example, we have this AI function called as get discount, where you can actually collect specific customer details from the customer and then provide the discount coupon. As for example, you can collect their name, email, or phone number, etc., and then provide the discount coupon as well. Apart from that, you can actually upload specific PDF files and provide more information to the AI to respond with. So here, if you go back to, let me click on cancel over here, AI tools. Here you have the option to upload specific files all over here. You can actually create any sort of AI functions. For example, get discount. It simply asks them for the name and phone number to provide a specific discount coupon right here. So let me go back to the AI agent, this one right here. So here you have the option to choose different AI models as you like. So here, since we have connected all the AI models from different platforms, it shows up right here. But here you have the option to set the priority as well. For example, if you want to respond using the OpenAI, you can set the priority and the specific model as well. For any reasons, if the OpenAI fails, then it will actually try to generate a response from the Claude right here. For example, if you want to change the priority to Claude, so you can change it right here. For example, now I have changed it right here to Claude, so it will try to generate a response from the Claude model right here first, and then if it actually cannot generate a response, or if the Claude actually fails, then it will actually generate a response from the OpenAI. So likewise, the priority active works right here, and you can choose different models from other platforms like Gemini, xAI as well. And here you can actually set the temperature, max tokens, etc. as well. So let's keep this one as right here and click on save. Alright, and make sure to set this as the default agent as well. Alright, so now we can test how this actually works. So this simply work on all these connected channels automatically. So that's a beautiful thing. You don't need to build separate AI agents for different channels. It will simply work on all these connected channels right here. So let's test this on Instagram. So this is the Instagram account connected, demo chatting media. So here, let me share my phone screen and show you. So let me send a message over here and see how this actually works. So here, let me send a message saying my AZ is not working. Can you help? So let's see what sort of response we are receiving right here. So it says, I'm sorry to hear that your AC is acting up. I know how frustrating that can be, especially in the this particular heat. Let's get you some info on a diagnosis visit. First, is this for a residential home or a commercial property? So it simply asks the first question right there. So let me say residential. All right. Let's see what happens over here. Got it. Residential home. Next question, what type of AC system do you have? Is it a central AC or a split mini system? So let me say central AC. All right. It says great, thanks. One last question, do you need the same day urgent service or can this be scheduled later date? So let me say urgent, as soon as possible. All right. So let's see what happens over here. So now based on the customer's response, it will simply estimate a simple cost over there and provide them as well just for the demo. Let's see what happens over here. All right. So it says, got it. I totally understand the urgency. Here's your pricing breakdown based on what you have told me. Property residential 79, basic diagnostic fee, system type central AC 20, urgency same day 30. So the total diagnostic visit fee will be 129. Most repairs for central AC system typically range between 250 to 450. Depending on the issue, diagnostic fee is waived if you proceed with the repair. To get a technician, reach out to you as soon as please call our emergency line, this one right here. So it simply asks them to call as well, but you can also assign this chat to a specific agent and from there they can jump in and handle the conversation as well. So here, if we go to the AI hub and show you the AI agent right here, we have these questions set up right here for the AI agent to ask right here, and based on the response it will calculate for the residential 79, central AC 20, urgency same day if it's 30. So it simply add the total diagnosis fee and send that to the customer and also ask them to call the specific number as well. And from here, if a particular customer asks any other questions, it will simply respond as well. For example, so here the headquarters is located right here. So let me ask this and see how this actually respond. Where is your headquarters located? So let me ask this and see if you receive the headquarters address right there. So here, which is the response? It says located at this particular address. If you would like to get that urgent service started, don't hesitate to call over this particular number. We'll get someone to you as soon as possible. Simple as that. So this is how it actually works on the Instagram, but this simply works on other channels too. For example, here in this demo icon we have connected the WhatsApp as well. So if someone actually sends you a message on WhatsApp, it works the same as well. So let me show how this actually works on the WhatsApp as well. So here in the WhatsApp, let me ask about how much is for the heat exchanger replacement. So as you can see here in the AI agent, we have this heat exchanger from 1500 to 3000. So let's see what sort of response we are receiving right here in the WhatsApp. All right. So I have just sent a message and it's actually generating a response right here. And here we received the response. Great question. Heat exchanger 1500 3000. To give you accurate diagnosis, I just need a few details. Is this for a residential or commercial, etc., etc.? It simply asks those questions from the customer right there. So here, if we go to this unified inbox, you can track all these conversations just happened. So this from the WhatsApp, this from the Instagram. Here you can see all these conversations happened right here. And from this unified inbox, agent can easily send any sort of messages right here. Just type and send it, and that will post the chatbot as well. and for the Instagram it works the same as well. And another important thing is that if you want to delay these responses generated by the AI chatbot, you can do that as well. Go to settings, and here bot replay delay. Here you have the option to set specific delay time frames as you like as well. For example, if you set a delay time like 1 minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, the bot will simply delay for that specific minutes and simply send the response afterwards. So here it says set how long the bot waits before replying after user's last message. If the user sent another message, the timer resets and messages are queued into a single response. Simple as that. So here you have the option to set specific delays as you like as well. And that's a quick video on how you can easily build an AI chatbot for your business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.